Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Terry. So we're starting off with the eyes, and I'm going in with the Black Opal concealer in Honey, and I am just blending that out. This will help my makeup to pop a bit more, and I will be going in with the Sacha Buttercup powder to set that into place so that I do not have any creasing on my eyelids. And I am taking that dark brown color and I am applying this as my transitioning color. I'm just putting that right into my crease and I am blending that out. Now I'm going in with the City of Neon Lights palette and I am taking the black, and I will be adding that to the lower part of my lid. And I am taking small amounts of this color and I am just adding that, and then I'll go in with my blending brush and I will blend that together with the dark brown color. And I do add more brown to it so that it can fuse together and have this natural, not necessarily natural look, but it can look more blended. So I'm going in with that shimmery black color from the Morphe palette and I am applying that to the inner part of my tear duct area as well as the middle part of my lid, and I am just applying that right there. And I do go in with my blending brush once more and I blend out the edges of that shadow so that it does not look harsh. Now I'm going in with my 3D mink lashes. They do not have any name, so I did line my eyes before I added my lashes, so I'm just showing you guys right there. So right here I'm just gonna let you guys watch because you see me do my face like a million times. I did do a new technique where I applied a darker concealer on the outer part of the lighter concealer. I used the CoverGirl concealer on the inner part and I used the Girl concealer in the shade Chestnut on the outer part, and then I blend those together so I can have a more natural look because I am not adding foundation. I just went in with concealer after I moisturized and prepped my face. So I'll let you guys watch this.
Whoa, oh, oh, whoa, oh, oh, I can't live without you. Whoa, oh, oh, whoa, oh, oh, I can't breathe without your love. Your love.
Alrighty, so you guys saw me applied all those to my face. I am now setting my face with the Vanilla Sugar Raspberry Face Mist, and I am just patting that in with my beauty blender, making sure that everything is blended well. So I've decided to add a little heart right below my eyes, right on my cheek, and I just drew that heart using my tattoo ink brownish black pencil, and I just created that little heart. And I also added some freckles to my face because I wanted to bring this look like a little classic Valentine's, anti-Valentine's look like. So I added those freckles and I used my powder brush to pat that in so it can look more natural. Now onto the lips. I am using a dark brown pencil to line the outer part of my lips, and I will be going in with a really bright red color on my lips today because I wanted my lips to pop. So I applied that to my lips. This is a matte lipstick, a matte liquid lipstick. It is called Kiss. It is a drugstore brand, and I'm just applying that. I also went in with the LA Colors Lippy Duo, and I used the lip gloss side of it to go over that because I wasn't really feeling that matte look, so I rather glossy lips, so I went in with lip gloss. Now to highlight, I'm going in with a glow palette. I almost forgot to highlight because as you guys can see, I transformed, but we're adding highlight and I'm taking that gold color. I'm just applying that to all the high parts of my face, and this is the finished result, you guys. I really love the way that this anti-Valentine's look came out. It is so classy and cute. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys. I will see you in my next video. Have a blessed day. Goodbye.
Without you.